It all started with Uncle Albert. In the years that Max Planck solved the ultraviolet catastrophe, Einstein also became one of the founders of quantum physics by describing the photoelectric effect. So much so that Bohr, Heisenberg, Schrodinger, Pauli, Dirac and de Broglie have always come after Einstein. Moreover, quantum mechanics was developed somewhat in response to Einstein. Indeed, they introduced quantum entanglement, which is the basis of quantum teleportation, just to object to what he calls the remote strange effect. So how did this discussion turn out? In quantum mechanics, you cannot predict the result of a measurement. You can only calculate the probability of a particular measurement occurring. For example, you cannot know whether an electron will go left or right, but you know for sure that there is a 70% probability that he will go right. In classical physics, if I fire a military cannon, I can precisely calculate how the cannonball will arc through the air and fall to the ground. For this, it is sufficient to know features such as cannon, shot, gravity, angle of shot, and the roughness of the terrain. Quantum mechanics says there is always a margin of error in calculating the shot put course. Moreover, if the cannonball were a quantum particle, it could fall to the right, to the left, and with a very low probability anywhere. Even if you fire the quantum cannonball at the enemy in front of you, there is a possibility that it will circle around the Himalayas and hit your back from behind. If you call these classical knowledge, know that Einstein was very disturbed by these oddities of quantum mechanics. He did not want to accept them. According to him, precise measurements were possible in the universe. It's just that they depend on local hidden variables that we can't see with quantum mechanics. So there was no uncertainty principle. According to the determinist chaos theory in mathematics, there was the principle of unknowability. Einstein designed the RSE experiment to demonstrate this. So what is this?